Today, we're looking at a powerhouse portable inflator that is changing the game for outdoor enthusiasts. Most portable pumps on the market struggle to hit 20 psi. They usually have to be plugged into a car cigarette lighter, which means you're stuck pumping next to the exhaust fumes in the parking lot. This tool is different. It features a massive 15,600 mAh lithium-ion battery. This means you can take it right down to the shoreline. It uses a dual-stage system. The first stage moves a massive amount of air quickly, and the second stage kicks in to provide high-pressure precision. We are talking about a top speed of 450 liters per minute. To put that in perspective, this gadget can take a standard SUP from 0 to 12 psi in just 5 minutes. On a single charge, it can fill up to 6 boards back-to-back. While it was built with paddleboarders in mind, this professional-grade tool is a total multitasker. It reaches up to 45 psi, making it strong enough for more than just water toys. It's a legitimate replacement for those bulky tire inflators you keep in your trunk. It can top off a car tire in about 50 seconds. It's even powerful enough for SUVs, pickups, and RV tires. If you're heading into the woods instead of the water, it has you covered there too. It comes with 8 different nozzles. You can use it for inflatable tents, thick sleeping pads, or kayaks. It's designed to be the only pump you need to pack, saving you a ton of space in your vehicle. The interface is very beginner-friendly. It has a clear front display and 6 smart presets. You just select what you're inflating, be it a tire or a mat, and the internal AI sensor tracks the pressure in real time. Once it hits the target, it stops automatically. No overinflating, no guesswork. And we all know the worst part of the day is packing up. Trying to roll up a SUP with air still trapped inside is a nightmare. This device has a deflation mode with serious suction power. It can flatten a board in 90 seconds. This lets you roll your gear tighter and reclaim about 80% of your trunk space. One common issue with electric pumps is overheating. This product solves that with an active cooling system. It uses high-speed fans and shark fin vents to keep the motor cool. This prevents it from stalling and helps the hardware last much longer. It's a rugged, reliable companion for anyone who loves the great outdoors. If you're tired of manual pumping and want to spend more time actually enjoying your hobbies, check out the link in the description to learn more. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your adventure buddies. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest outdoor gear. Thanks for watching.